Now in this document we're going to look at creating a graph when information is not side by side. For instance, if I wanted to create a graph based solely upon month and 2015, I can't highlight across because that highlights 2014 as well. So what we do is highlight the information we want, which is the months. We push and hold Control and keep your finger on Control, then highlight the values you want for each corresponding month. Now you can tell you've got your information selected because it's still greyed out when you take your finger off Control. You click on Insert and then the type of graph you're looking for. Now your 3D one or your 2D one will do, no need to be fancy, and your graph is created. Now I've just added a more relevant heading, Performance Review. We're focusing on 2015, so it makes sense to make it quite specific. Again, we need our data labels. They can be not data labels, access labels. So access titles. Now again, you can see we've not got a really proper legend. So let's go to our click on our graph. We'll go to Format and then Design. We'll switch our row and column, and that gives us a legend. Again, we'll have to go redo our access titles again, so click on the plus button, access titles. We're going to delete our number one, like so. And then we're going to re-edit or edit these ones again as we did previously. So generally here you've got everything that's expected of you in a graph. You've got a heading, you've got titles, and you've got a legend. You could change the layout of your legend depending on what you felt was more attractive, more eye-catching. But in the end, no need to be fancy, just cover all the bases that you're expected to. If you wanted to, you could move the chart to a new sheet, like so, and display it entirely independently. That way you can see at the bottom as part of a sheet, another sheet, and it's still in the same area as the chart.